In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Suno music on Openart AI videos. If you've got a video in Openart that's using a Suno generated track and you want to refresh the vibe, refine the vocals, or better match the mood, this walkthrough will guide you from start to finish in a clear, simple way. Start by opening Openart. When you land on the Suite home, you're in the right place. Next, look to the left sidebar and click Media. This is your project's library, where Openart stores your uploaded and generated assets, including audio created with Suno. It's a good habit to keep audio files clearly named so they're easy to find later. Inside the media library, locate the specific Suno audio you want to adjust and click on it. That opens the asset so you can work with it directly. With the track selected, choose Change Voice. This takes you into Openart's voice changer, which lets you transform the character of the audio, especially useful for Suno tracks with vocals, while keeping your timing and structure intact. Now select a voice. Pick a voice profile or model that supports the mood you're aiming for. Think about genre and energy. For cinematic content, go warmer and fuller. For upbeat edits, something crisper may fit better. You're not changing the composition of the music here. You're guiding how the voice or vocal texture is rendered. Move on to voice control to dial in how strongly the new voice influences the track. Subtle adjustments usually sound more natural and sit better under dialogue, while stronger settings can create a bold, stylized sound. Keep an ear out for balance so the music enhances rather than overpowers your visuals. Adjust stability to manage consistency. Higher stability keeps the voice steady and smooth, minimizing fluctuations, which is great for clarity. Lower stability allows more expressive variation. Aim for a middle ground if you're unsure. It helps reduce artifacts while keeping life in the performance. Use similarity boost to control how closely the output follows the original tone. Increase it when you want to preserve the core character of the Suno track. Decrease it when you're intentionally pushing for a fresh interpretation. Style exaggeration amplifies stylistic traits like breathiness or grit. A small bump can add character. Too much can sound artificial, so ease into it and listen critically. When you're happy with the settings, click Generate. Openart will process and update the audio based on your choices. Give it a moment, then review. If it's not quite right, tweak a setting or two and generate again. That's it. You've changed the Suno music on your Openart AI video with precision and control.